Hello, Jutta family. The puppy had x-rays and a scan. It is confirmed what we suspected. It has not only one but two fractures. So it is an operation, and we will be going to a specialist orthopedic vet all the way in Heraklion, which is about 2.5 hours by car drive. So he's gonna have a little splint until we can go to the vet and then make preparations to operate. She's been so brave. Little baby. She has analgesia as well to help. We do need your help, Jutta family, if you can. Thank you for your support. These are the x-rays. You can see both fractures.